find the one you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find the one you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find the one you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find the one you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the...
I had so many ideas for things that I wanted to do today. So many ideas, things I wanted to do for weeks, for months, for forever ago. And I scrapped everything that I had written down previously, and I was like, you know what, let's do chicken Parmesan tacos. For no reason. It's not from a cartoon, it's not from a blah blah blah. I just wanted to make chicken Parmesan tacos, not with regular taco shells. No, we're making pasta taco shells. So, I don't know why, for whatever reason we're doing it today, chicken Parmesan tacos. Let's find out if they work.
Still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Chain sin stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you, don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I brought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that power type that make any man feel rejection. I was no coward, got your heart in my possession. Guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it. You so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get lifted. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. Look, man, it was like fall of 09 when we ate at any restaurant off campus we can find. Double dating, and my homies brought different brats every time. You sat across from uncertainty, but you knew you were mine. All these girls wanted nook because I had a little buzz. You care more about how it looked, I care more about what it was. You said I was flirting too much, I cut them all off if I must. This whole relationship thing is pointless if there is no trust. But you know that you are my queen. How you do, your majesty? I'll acquire you desire. Pockets on capacity. It's only right that I laid the pipe, cause you had a massive leak. I'm not one to hype, but you the best, and that's to say the least. They say love is blind, all I saw was that. All you needed was attention you didn't receive from dad. Campus full of you the only one with some class. When they see you, they know that's me. You don't even have to ask. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments.
The craziest thing, when I was making the pasta shells, it was forcing the tongs open. It was expanding so much. It was forcing the tongs open. Like, I couldn't, like, I was like, am I getting weak? I can't even keep these tongs closed. It was legit, like, forcing my hand up. That's how much pressure was on these. But came out good. They're a little soggy now for whatever, because they've been, I don't know, I guess they've been sitting out for a while. I could have, like, baked them after. Like, I could have put them in the oven and kept them warm for a while afterwards, kept them crispy and stuff, but I didn't. I could have like blotted them dry afterwards too. It's kind of hard when they're like so puffy. And now, your moment of zen. More like a chalupa. It's like a chicken Parmesan chalupa. If I could describe how these taste in one word, it would be two chihuahuas fighting over a piece of pizza at a pool party. That's more than one word. Hold on. That's more than one word. It's like eating folded up cartoon versions of the cast of Jersey Shore. No, that's still more than one word. It's like an Italian wedding, but Uncle Sal is really a Mexican princess. No, that doesn't make any sense either. All in all, pretty tasty though. Pretty tasty. Critiques I would make though. Number 1, shell could have been crispier. Number 2, should have added more tomato sauce. Aside from that, Alright guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really liked it, draw a picture of these chicken Parmesan tacos and mail it to Jesus. I'll see you guys as always in the next one. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really liked it, draw a picture of Parmesan tacos. That's a blooper.